Let's talk about how to draw this. Hey, what's up y'all? I'm Lauren of Lauren Leslie Studio. I'm an artist and textile designer, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a face in a very beginner-friendly way. All right, that's it. Let's jump into the video. So here I'm just starting out drawing a square. I am using a ruler here, doing 6 inches by 6 inches and marking at the 3-inch mark so that I can get crosshairs in the center and down the middle. From there, I'm drawing an egg shape for the head. You can also draw a perfect circle and then add the chin. Here I want to show you my Drawing from Life book that I've had since college. It is a pretty great book. It has a whole section on heads, and you can see here how the proportions line up. So I am doing this exact same thing, drawing a square first and then drawing down the center and middle lines. And you can see that the eyes line up on that middle line. Just showing you a few more pages here as I flip through. You can see the skull. We definitely learned that in college, as well as the muscles in the face, so you really get that anatomy. And then here's a cool diagram of all the different angles of the face. However, we're just going to do a straight on face today. So from there, I'm taking my pencil and measuring thirds down each side of the face, and in the middle there is where we're going to draw our eyes. The distance between the two eyes should be about another eye length. From there, I'm drawing down the middle between the eyes and the chin, and the nose just comes right above that. From there, the mouth comes below, under the lip mark. As a general rule, the ears also start right by the eyebrow line and come down to about where the nose is. The reference photo I'm looking at has the ears coming slightly above, so that's why I'm drawing that. From there, I'm drawing and shading in the nostrils. These are not perfect circles, but they're kind of like little half moons that have different shading in them. And then I'm coming down to the upper lip and drawing the shape of that. And this is going to be a male face, so I'm going ahead and adding some fun mustache marks and facial hair. I'm adding a little divot into the chin and drawing more of the cheekbones or the jawline, coming kind of at that angle right under the ear. From there, I'm making the eyebrows much thicker and finishing up some of the details in the eye, filling in the iris and adding the eyelid. You also want to make sure you add the tear duct and a little water line on the bottom eyelid. I like to do just very loose shading to get kind of the planes of the face. Your drawing does not have to be super tight. Your shading doesn't have to be super smooth. It's fun to get loose pencil marks, and that's sometimes part of our style. So I'm just adding in a few more hairlines and readjusting the ears to kind of fit flatter on his head. The hair kind of sits on top of this egg shape, so the forehead does not go all the way up to the egg shape. We want to leave space for the hair, and it's going to come down the sides as well. Moving on to the female head, I'm going to do the same thing, and you can just draw this square loosely if you wish. You don't have to use a ruler, but that's what I'm doing here, and you want to hold your pencil back and sketch really loosely when you're drawing this egg shape. You want to leave a little space for the chin at the bottom, and then use your pencil to draw in thirds along the edge, and then the eyes go in the middle of those, again being kind of an eye's width apart. From there, you want to draw the nose just above that other center line among the bottom half, and draw the mouth just under that. From there, I'm drawing the jawline as well for the female character, and adding the ears where the ears start kind of right by the eyebrows and then come down to the nose. I'm adjusting the eyes a little bit. The eyes are not perfect ovals. You can see they kind of come down towards the tear duct, and the pupils are not perfect circles. They kind of get cut off by the lids. And I'm just readjusting the ears a little bit to fit flatter against the head, and along the edges of the head you can see where the temple dips in a little bit and there's a little bit of a curve for the cheekbones. Now I'm just drawing the eyelids and some shadows going around the nose. We also want to make sure we're drawing the ball of the nose as well as the nostrils, and they kind of flip out. From there, I'm drawing the lip line and kind of filling in that bottom lip. The upper lip is generally darker than the bottom lip. The bottom lip usually catches more of a highlight, so I'm leaving that lip a little bit lighter. And I like to just go all the way around the face, kind of filling in one area and then moving on to another area. So I'm just filling in the pupil here, making sure I get that waterline on the eye and a few bottom lashes. The lashes are also not going to come out straight, but they're going to flick out in little curves. You also want to make sure you're getting that highlight in the pupil. So the pupil is not going to be a solid, dark, round circle. It's going to have some highlights. From there, I'm just filling in some shadows along the plane of the face and loosely sketching in some space for her hair. The reference photo has quite fun curly hair, so I'm getting playful with that. I'm just sketching it really, really loosely. It covers up a bit of her ear. And I'm just getting the shadows in the neck as well. You want to make sure that the hair feels like it's sitting behind the head. So you want to make sure your values are going to be darker around the jawline. And I'm just finishing up some last touches around the eyes. And that's our female face. Drawing the face can be really hard, but I want to know, what is the hardest part for you? Leave me a comment and let me know what you find the most difficult about drawing the face. Is it the hair, the eyes, the nose, the proportions? Is it just getting the likeness right? I'm really curious, and that'll really help me figure out what to make my next video about. So yeah, leave a comment and let me know. Hit the like button if you are getting something out of this video. And as always, make sure to check the description down below for classes and more in-depth information, as well as the art supplies I'm using. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.